You're 30, and you haven't checked your banking app in a month. This is avoidance, not laziness. And avoidance increases interest costs. The goal is simple: reduce that cost. 73% of men under 35 avoid their accounts. The average debt in that group is $38,000. Social media shows the purchases, not the financing behind them. Most people aren't ahead. Most people simply aren't checking. Here's a clear example. $5,000 at 22% interest. With minimum payments, it takes 23 years and costs $14,000 in interest. Add $50 a month, and the payoff drops to 7 years, saving $8,000. Seeing the numbers makes action possible. Avoidance also leads to overpaying for car insurance, loans, and fees. Many people assume their credit score is worse than it is. Once they check, they often improve it and refinance within months. This is called the ostrich effect, avoiding information that might be negative. Unrealistic expectations at age 30 make the pressure worse. The real issue isn't being behind. It's not reviewing the data. Here's a 5-minute task for the next 24 hours: check your bank balance. Check your credit card total. Check your credit score. Data removes uncertainty. Small improvements compound. A 30-point score increase can lower insurance costs, free up cash, speed up debt payoff, and raise the score again. Wealth grows through consistent visibility. If the numbers look worse than expected, that's still useful. Here's the action plan: request an APR reduction, automate a weekly transfer, and activate your employer match. None of this happens without reviewing the numbers. Replace "I'm bad with money" with "I haven't learned this yet." 5 minutes a day builds capability. Start now. Balance. Card. Score. Comment "done" when you finish to help the video reach others. One review can change your long-term trajectory.